Barius Northwind, I summon you.
Eurus Eastwind, I summon you.
Notos Southwind, I summon you.
Zephyros Westwind, I summon you. Is it working? How will we know?
Give it a moment. Pray to Satan the mortals heed the warning.
And for the most part, they did. The mortals of Greendale gathered to take refuge in the bowels of Baxter High.
All right, easy does it, nice and slow. That's it. There's plenty of room for all in the storm shelter. Unless you find this invigorating, Ms. Wardwell. I've always been fascinated by tornadoes myself, ever since The Wizard of Oz. And now here we are, our school, the only safe place in Greendale. I'm engorged with excitement.
Mr. Hawthorne.
Perhaps when all this is over, you and I might finally have that drink.
Father Blackwood, all are accounted for.
Splendid. With our collective energies, we shall prevent the witches or their red angel from crossing our threshold.
All save the Spellmans. None of them are here. Not even Ambrose.
Pity. I had hopes for that boy. Never mind. He made his choice.
Susie, have you seen Harvey?
No, and I saw Ross's dad, but I don't think Ross is here, Sabrina.
I'll go to Harvey's.
I'll go to Ross's.
But Susie, you have to be back before midnight. Why aren't you at school? Didn't you hear the siren?
I did, but we've got a storm cellar and my dad's in no shape to travel. So we're gonna stay here.
Harvey, you can't. It's not a tornado that's coming. It's something much, much worse.
You must.